at like 34.
Dang, I think I just went through a quarter tank of gas too.
Yeah, totally worth it. What was that, like 8 or 9 pounds? Did you see it?
I know, I can't, I don't pay
couldn't
attention.
even.
I don't pay attention to it. That, half the time your eyeballs are rolling back.
That was a shaky video. Oh! What did we break?
Something broke.
I need you to hit boost one more time just to see.
It's like popping bad. Something's backfiring.
It's the name of the game, right?
Something like that. Maybe we'll just coast her on the way home here. This car does very well though, because you usually can't just full throttle it a bunch of times back to back and never squawks or does anything. Temperatures all stay the same. Nothing crazy happens. So I wonder if they pop something off or something.
That's a weird noise.
Yeah, it sounds like it's backfiring. Huh.
I wonder if it's that hood insulation clip that I popped off and it shot towards the the radiator. Like, would it be in the fan? The fan's like kicking it or something.
That's weird. It drives fine, but it's weird.
That's a very weird
Actually, you know
noise.
what? You're right. Maybe it is. Because it doesn't do it consistent. It's like there's no check engine light. RPMs are staying solid. Yeah, like something's like.
Yeah. Huh. Everything's looking kosher.
Yeah. I think you're right. Maybe something's stuck somewhere.
Guess we'll limp her home and check it out.
What's up, guys? This is the next day after Sean and I installed the carbon fiber hood, and we went on a little test drive afterwards, and we noticed after ripping on it pretty hard that it started making kind of a weird funky noise. It almost kind of sounded like a misfire or some kind of like something in the exhaust, like it was like something was popping or something. It sounded kind of weird, and we knew something was up. And it was super hot yesterday and couldn't really take anything apart or see anything obvious. Nothing was hanging out underneath the car. So after letting it sit, my daughter's taking a nap, so now I'm going through checking everything, thinking it was something loose on the downpipe, etc. And it's much worse. So I'm going to show you guys my findings. I think we definitely got super lucky here and could have been a lot worse, but Sean and I both knew that something did not sound right. So before you start firing off in the comments, you should have known better, blah, 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 blah. Yes, I know. I honestly have had nothing nice to say about the CX Racing kit, but the turbo is completely done. I think we pushed it to its limits, and it didn't last very long. Other than I've had it, actually it was about last 4th of July is when I bought the kit, so it's been turboed about a year. So was I expecting to get way more out of it? Of course. But I also knew that it wasn't a forever setup and it wasn't a forever turbo, and I knew it wasn't high quality. So I guess in hindsight, now it's time to save up and get a bigger, better turbo. So here I'm going to show you guys kind of what I found, and now you can see how messed up it is. So here's the face of the turbo here. I'm going to try and zoom in. You can see the blades are damaged, cracked. It's making a pretty gnarly noise. Oh yeah, that is done. There's a little the play, you can hear it. Basically the nut on the turbine there had backed out, and it was kind of on its last thread, and it was wiggling around pretty bad. So the inside of it's pretty scored, scraped, the blades are cracked. She's done. So I'm gonna have to park it for a little bit. I don't have the funds right now to go out and buy a bigger and better turbo at the moment. So probably gonna sit for the rest of the summer, which is a bummer because I was hoping to enjoy the rest of the summer driving it, but we shall see. Stay tuned. We've got some other projects and things going on. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe as usual, and we'll see you guys on the next one.